Programming your Dodge Charger key fob is a straightforward process. First, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the vehicle unlocked. Ensure the ignition is off. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and then back to off 3 times within 10 seconds. Within 30 to 60 seconds, simultaneously press the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob for 1 to 2 seconds. If programming multiple fobs, repeat this step for each within the time window, up to a maximum of 4 fobs. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to on and back to off, or simply wait 30 seconds. Finally, test the fob by locking and unlocking the doors from outside the vehicle. For 2023 Plus models with Uconnect, you can use the touchscreen menu under Vehicle Settings, Key Fob Programming as an alternative. If programming fails, check for interference from other electronics or try the process again. A BCM fault may require a dealership visit for diagnostics. Future trends include integrating key fobs with smartphones and enhancing security. Keyless entry is becoming standard on higher trims, and digital keys via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto are gaining traction. Be aware of cybersecurity risks and potential regulations requiring encryption upgrades. Rechargeable fob batteries are also emerging in eco-friendly trims. According to Kelley Blue Book, reprogramming is often requested after a battery change, and Stellantis surveys indicate many owners prefer DIY for cost savings. Experts emphasize DIY feasibility with a high success rate when following the manual. Stay updated with Stellantis' website or app for the latest information.